Hey, I'm Kathy Ellen. Here I am cleaning my dining room table at 20 times speed. Why am I showing you this in 20 times speed? I wanted to have a record of, yeah, I did that because I ended up cleaning for about 37 minutes straight, which for me is pretty difficult. I tend to take breaks about every 20 minutes. If you'd like to see the real time of this, you will hear me talk about how I got to a certain point where usually I call my husband in because I'm nearly all done and I just don't have the energy to keep going. But recording myself doing this in real time really helped me stay on task. Felt like I had a body double. If you want to see the real time, I'll pop it up here on the video for you and put it in the description as well. And mainly, like I said, I wanted this 20 times speed one to remind myself that it's not just going to take 2 minutes to clean off a messy table. This is not just cleaning, this is organizing. This is, some things were projects, so I cut something if I needed to, put it where it needed to go. Everything kind of got moved around, put back where it was supposed to be. Had a little helper here who picked up some of her things and then tried to put them on my desk. She's getting water behind us right now and just said hi. Mainly, this is simply a record of, look, I did this. So when I'm feeling like it is too difficult to clean, there's too much to tackle, I can just watch this for a minute and 50 seconds, remind myself, hey, I did that, and just set my computer up again, perhaps record and get to what I want to clean. Thanks for coming along with this. Again, if you want to see the full video and have a body double for about 36, 37 minutes, here it is.